Hello guys, this is your Manong Baru. Welcome to our channel. Today is a very special day. It is Mother's Day, a day to celebrate all the wonderful mothers in the world. Mothers are so important to our lives. They give us love, care, and support. Mothers are always there for us, no matter what. They make us feel loved and safe. Mothers are the best. I am so happy to have this day to celebrate them. Let's take some time today to think about all the things our mothers do for us. Let's tell them how much we love and appreciate them. Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there. I was blessed with a very special mother. She was kind, loving, and always put her children first. I remember her warm smile and gentle touch. She had a way of making everything better. My mother worked hard to take care of our family. She cooked, cleaned, and made sure we had everything we needed. She also made time for fun. We would have picnics in the park, go for walks in the woods, and read books together. My mother made my childhood magical. I am so grateful for all that she did for me. I miss her very much. A mother's love is patient. She never gives up on her children. Even when we make mistakes, she is always there to forgive us. Mothers believe in us even when we doubt ourselves. I remember when I was learning to ride my bicycle. I fell off so many times that I wanted to give up. But my mother never lost faith in me. She encouraged me to keep trying. Finally, I was able to ride without falling. I was so proud of myself, and I was so grateful to my mother for her patience and support. A mother's love is kind. She always wants what is best for her children. She puts our needs before her own. Mothers are always there to offer a helping hand or a shoulder to cry on. When I was sick, my mother would take care of me. She would bring me soup and crackers in bed. She would read me stories and sing me songs. My mother made me feel safe and loved. She made being sick a little bit better. Section 5. Mothers teach us. Mothers are our first teachers. They teach us right from wrong. They teach us how to be kind, compassionate, and respectful. Mothers shape us into the people we become. My mother taught me the importance of honesty, hard work, and perseverance. She taught me to always be true to myself. She taught me to stand up for what I believe in. My mother's lessons have stayed with me throughout my life. I am so grateful for her guidance and wisdom. Mothers are our protectors. They keep us safe from harm. They are always there to fight for us and defend us. Mothers are our biggest cheerleaders. I remember when I was little, I was afraid of the dark. My mother would leave a night light on in my room. She would tell me stories about brave knights and beautiful princesses. My mother's stories helped me to be brave. I knew that even though the dark could be scary, my mother would always be there to protect me. Mothers are our biggest cheerleaders. They believe in our dreams, no matter how big or small. They encourage us to pursue our passions and never give up. I remember when I was in my school play. I was so nervous to be on stage. But my mother was in the audience, cheering me on. Her support gave me the confidence to do my best. I knew that no matter what, my mother would be proud of me. Mothers, we owe you everything. Thank you for your unconditional love, your endless sacrifices, and your unwavering support. You are the heart of our homes and the glue that holds our families together. Thank you for always believing in us, even when we doubted ourselves. Thank you for teaching us the importance of kindness, compassion, and empathy. Thank you for being our constant source of strength and inspiration. We are so lucky to have you in our lives. Happy Mother's Day to all the amazing mothers out there. We celebrate you today and every day. May your day be filled with love, joy, and happiness.
All right.